CNC Speedwell in the West Midlands. We're going to go inside and find out how ABB Robotics have worked closely with them to not only improve productivity but improve efficiency as well. Take 20,
and we got the mirror imaging as well, so we can turn. What was the name of that again?
I don't know.
She's gonna go wrong again. Yeah, totes.
A mixture of competence between a manufacturer and a pure distribution company.
This is a quick video with Lewis Hill, who's Managing Director of Grob UK. That's Groub, and Lewis's name is Louis.
So just your name for editor's notes. Mike Harris. MICK HARRIS. That was Mick Harris.
Richard.
Richard.
And then Richard. Start again. Here, your latest acquisition is this ABB. Now, let me get this right. Bollocks. Okay, yeah, no problem. Jake, we're doing it. We're starting again, basically. Simple as that. So all that stuff you've just spent the last 5 hours editing, just delete it.
That's it. It's perfect. It's my pillow. Ben, we've travelled to Doncaster to one laser. One site laser.
We're at Mintel Engineering, known for. Wasn't I?
What is the ease of use like of the Freddy?
No, real simple, easy to use. You've basically got an on-off switch and you have a suck and a blow. Back to your studio.
So how easy is it to use and what kind of filters are within the use? How do you find it here how do you find it to use here at NCNT?
Well,
you know, it's easy to use.
yeah, really simple, easy to use. You know, basically on-off switches. We have a suck and a blow, basically for sucking out the coolant and for putting the coolant back into.
Has it evolved a lot, and how do you find it here at NCNT?
Yeah, again, as I said before, a vital part of our equipment. It's simple, on-off. You know, for turning on the system. We have a sucking area for it and a blow as well.
Do you want to get it with my girlfriends as well? My honeys. They've been following us around all day. I can't believe it. It's actually starting to be embarrassing now. So if they start coming close, can you just give me a shake on the camera, because I'm going to have to start. Say. Google's best kept engineering secret.
Off, guys.
Well, as someone said, I'm the Jeremy Clarkson of.
Yeah, your face is everywhere.
Yeah, no, I'm a noxious old.
And there you see it, that comes off in one hit now. Whoop.
The brand awareness of serrated seat. Well, this is the reason why we, Alessandro.
Simple as that. Chris did know the brief beforehand, but he f***ed it up.
One thing Dave has pointed out to me is that it's a lot easier to look at me than Joe for any type of interviews. So obviously I'm just feeding that back to you. This is correct, isn't it, Dave?
Oh, absolutely. No, with any shadow of a doubt.
Okay, back to the editing notes.
Hello, you little Anyway, just a quick editor's note. Note for Jake. Well, first of all, Jake, no one likes you still, as you know, and this is John.
So, Greg?
You know what? I've just done the same. Now I've eaten it. It's gone. I just had to do my take.
Sandvik Coromant are a world leader in the production of cutting tools, and we are here in Sandviken, Sweden, at their HQ. Now, let's wait for this fella. Sandvik Coromant are a world leader in the production of cutting tools, and MTD Global have been invited to Sandvik. Sandvik Coromant are a world leader in the production of CNC cutting tools, and MTD Global have been invited to Sandviken in Sweden, and where. Oh, I'm doing it. So Greg, AI.
are these going to be on the outtakes later? I'm going home. I finished work now. Finished work. We're done. Okay?
Well, I don't know.